Here we want to figure out, is a point a solution to an inequality? Here I got 3 points given to you right here. We want to see if it's a solution to an inequality. In other words, just to simplify it graphically, if we were thinking about this graphically, let's say I had a graph here, and here I got this dotted line right here, and it's shaded above this dotted line. We want to see, is a point in the shaded line, okay? Is a point over here in the shaded line. If it's in the shaded area, then it's a solution to the inequality. If it's not in the shaded area, it's not a solution. And in this situation, if it's on the dotted line, it would not be a solution. So we're looking for, is the point in the shaded area? And to do that, you can do that graphically by graphing it in and seeing if the point's in there, or you could do it algebraically. And really, to do it algebraically, what you need to do is you need to take the 4, which is the x, and the 5, which is the y, and you got to plug it into the equation right here, and see if the statement is true. If you get a true statement at the end, it's a solution. If it's not a true statement, it's not a solution. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Let's take this point 4, 5 and plug it in here. So I got 5 times 4 minus 2 times 5 is less than 10. And we're going to plug the 4 in for the x and the 5 in for the y. And now let's just simplify this out. So I got 5 times 4, which is 20, minus 2 times 5, which is 10, and that's less than 10. Let's see if this is true. Well, 20 minus 10 is 10. It's less than 10. Is this a true statement? Is 10 less than 10? Definitely not. 10 is the same as 10, so it's not less than 10. So this is false. Therefore, this is the therefore sign. Therefore, 4, 5 is not a solution. It's not a solution to this. Let's try it again. Let's try it right over here. We'll do the same exact thing. This situation, I'm going to plug the -1 and 5 in for this. See if this is a solution. In other words, is this in the shaded region for this inequality? Okay, that's what we're looking for. So I got the 5 times -1 minus 2 times -5. Is that less than 10? And we'll plug these values in for that. -1, -5. So 5 times -1 is -5. -2 times -5 is positive 10. Is that less than 10? Well, -5 plus 10 is 5. And 5 is less than 10. So this is true. Because that is true, then, therefore, -1, -5 is a solution. It is a solution. And let's just try this one more time, just to make sure we got the pattern down. Again, we're going to take these 2 points and plug it into our equation right here. So I got 5 times 3 minus 2 times -1. Is that less than 10? Well, let's see. So I'll put the 3 in for this, -1. 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 2 times -1, that's positive 2. Is that less than 10? 5 plus 2 is 13. Is 13 less than 10? Well, that is false. So, therefore, 3, -1 is not a solution. And that is how you can determine if a point, a given point, is a solution to an inequality. Just plug them in, and is it true? Then it's a solution. If it's not true, then it's not a solution.